Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB video update. Now SHIB actually failed quite terribly, and they actually gave us a pattern, made a fake out to the upside. It came for the retest, never actually made a successful retest. If I actually dive into the 4-hour time frame, I do remember the last time we were talking about in the last update was a little bit of a continuation pattern that was forming up here. You can see that was a continuation pattern, but instead it couldn't actually move to the upside, so that technical target got cancelled. The worst case scenario for SHIB was the one that was actually there, so we didn't move to the upside, unfortunately. And speaking of this move, random moves, this has been dragged down due to what Bitcoin does, and what Bitcoin does is stupid all the time. But the thing is that even when you broke out of this neckline, you came for the retest. You can see you made a fake out, very bad fake out right there. I had a trade right here. I got my stop loss taken out, but at least from there it has been a save of nearly 6.6% of my money. I actually lost 1% out of there, so my trade got cancelled out, and now I'm not still trading. I'm on the sideline right now, and for me, SHIB still looks to drop down to this zones down here, 600, 500, and eventually 400 and 350 level is where I'm looking for SHIB to come down to, or maybe even bottom out there, who knows, at the moment. So this pattern is not being respected. It's more like a pattern that just never played out. They just gave you the pattern like a lollipop, maybe to just suck you in, and then don't do anything at all. So let's look at the next impulsive move to the downside for SHIB right now. So basically we might be looking to come down to 0.618, which is 889. So maybe lose this level, come down here, lose that level right there, lose this right shoulder as well, which is the inverted end shoulder on a smaller time frame. So you don't want to lose 873. If you lose 873, that's where the impulsive move and the reversal wave to 714 is going to be taking place, in my opinion. So you might be looking for this technical target in the future. And that's pretty much it for this SHIB update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.